Look what I've got. Can you speak?
Hello everyone, this is Chandra.
I'm Rani Moorcroft, one of the TigerLily
sisters, and it's just a small message really to say thank you so much for following us.
I really think you ought to go and see the doctor because I'm not really sure what sort of life you have that you listen to us rambling away.
I know it's a very strange time of the year, but we'll still have fun.
So have a wonderful Christmas.
We hope you have a lovely holiday.
Enjoy the time with your families.
And we hope that you'll continue with us and see us through the new year.
God bless and a happy new year to you.
I'm going to hand you over to Rani because she always has the last word anyway.
That's because she knows I can talk for England on absolutely nothing.
Bye.